In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the speed of your audio, either to make it faster or more slower in KineMaster. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now I have here a video clip, but it does not have an audio. So I'll like first to go ahead and add the audio. To add the audio, just go over here to audio and then tap on it. And you can add either music or you can add sound effects. For instance, maybe I want to add a song. I'll go just and tap on a song and then select it. However, if you want to add music, you can also do the same and then scroll down and look for a free music that you can use. For my case, I'll use this. So I'll tap on plus to add it, and look at that, the music has been added. Now I can adjust it by moving it to the other side so that it covers the whole track, and I can easily do this, so like that. And then I can also trim it, but before I trim it, I want first to adjust the speed. To adjust the speed of the music, just go ahead and tap or select the timeline that contains the music, and then come to this option called speed. If you tap on it, now here you can see it is set at ×1. So you can make the music faster by adjusting this scale. If you leave it at that, it will be 2 times. If you want to make it play 4 times faster, you can as well do so by adjusting this, or alternatively you can just select from these 4 times here and it will be set to 4 times. If you want to slower the music such that it drags itself or it takes much longer, you can adjust it so that it is at less than 1. Maybe you can set it at 0.5, that is a half of the speed. And for this, it will play much longer than it was originally playing. Once you're done, now you can go ahead and cut the music from the location you want it to end. And you can do this by choosing the trim option here. And now you can trim from either left or right. So if I take my cursor here, we can trim it left, and now you can see I can trim it here. Let me take this here like that, and then I'll go ahead and leave it at that like this, and then trim it. I'll choose split, and once I've split, I'll now delete this part. To delete this part, it is pretty much simple. Just select it and then delete it. So if you go ahead and play the music, you'll find it either much slower or much faster according to the choice that you made. So that's how you change the speed of your audio or music in KineMaster. If this video is helpful, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.